Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Pallavi Rajesh. I welcome you all on behalf of Tiraknagar Shikshan Prasarak Mandal and Tiraknagar Junior College. So, in today's lecture, we are going to study chapter number 7, that is correspondence with debenture holders. In that, we will study the third letter, that is conversion of debentures. In the last lecture, we have studied letter regarding payment of interest through interest warrant and electronic mode. So let us proceed further towards the conversion of debentures. Before starting with the actual letter, we should first know what do we mean by convertible debentures. It is already been taught to you in the last lectures. Let us just revise it once again. Convertible debentures are the debentures which are easily converted into equity shares on the expiry of that specific period, and the terms of issue which are mentioned at the time of issue of debentures. So after receiving the letter of option, the secretary sends the letter informing the debenture holders that the debentures are converted into equity shares. It also states that the share certificate will be issued to them along with this particular letter. Now in simple words, what we can say that conversion of debenture into equity shares means to change the loan liability into your capital liability. Now after conversion of debenture into equity share, the debenture holder becomes the shareholder of the company, and shareholders will get all the rights of voting. So let us see what do we mean by the conversion of debentures through this particular letter. uh, as said to you in the previous lectures, that there is a particular layout while writing a letter. The secretary should follow this particular layout. In the middle of the page, the name of the company should be mentioned, below that the registered address, then the CIN number, that is company identification number. Again on the right hand side, the website, email ID, and the date on which the letter is being drafted, that is 5th of June 2019. Then on the left hand side, the phone number, fax number, and your reference number. Then just below that, the name of your debenture holder, that is Mr. Mahesh Malpani, his residential address. And just below that, in the middle of the page, you'll write the subject, that is conversion of debentures into equity shares. So dear sir, I am directed to inform you that in accordance with the terms decided at the time of issue of rupees 1 lakh, 10% fully convertible debentures, the debentures are due for conversion. So the secretary is informing to the debenture holder that at the time of issuing the debentures, as per the terms, the 1 lakh 10% fully convertible debentures are issued to you, and those debentures are due for conversion. The maturity is due, so he is requesting him to convert the debentures into equity shares. In accordance with the above, a special resolution was passed by the shareholders in the extraordinary general meeting held on 25th of May 2019 for approval of conversion of debentures into equity shares in the ratio of 2:1. Now the secretary is informing that the company have passed a special resolution in the extraordinary general meeting which was held on 25th of May 2019 for the approval of conversion of debentures into equity share, and they have passed a ratio that 2:1 means the person who is having two debentures will be issued one equity share. Now as per your letter of option, you have been allotted 50 equity shares in lieu of 100 debentures. So as I said just now, they have declared a ratio that is 2:1. It means he is having 100 debentures, so he will be given 50 equity shares. So details of the holding after conversion are as follows. A particular table is to be prepared. In that particular table, all the details should be specified. Then the number of debentures held, that was 100. Now the after conversion, the number of equity shares will be issued will be 50. Then the distinctive number of the shares will be from 501 to 550, that is 50 shares, and the share certificate number will be 2219. Duly signed and executed share certificate is enclosed herewith. Debenture certificate will be null and void with effect from 25th of May 2019. It is been said that a new share certificate will be issued to you, and from 25th of May, that is the day when they have conducted the extraordinary general meeting, from that particular day the debenture certificate will be null and void, means it will be cancelled, and the new share certificate will be issued to the concerned equity shareholder. So thanking you. Yours faithfully for Krishna Electronics Limited. The name of your secretary and his signature, and just again on the left hand side he have to write the enclosure, that is share certificate. It means along with this particular letter the secretary is going to attach the new share certificate which is to be issued to Mr. Mahesh Malpani. So in this particular letter what we have studied, that the conversion of debenture is possible only if the debentures which are issued at that time are of convertible nature. So it is easily possible that after the particular conversion the debentures are easily converted into equity shares, and the new share certificate will be issued to the concerned debenture holder. So I hope you all might have understood the letter relating to conversion of debentures. Thanks to all of you for watching.